UK time. I'm really happy to have you here in my show again, that you joined it, and I want to give my best today to join you and to give you very valuable content you can use for your own trading to become successful. And our main topic today is trading able to make you happy? How can trading improve your life? That's a kind of guideline through our today's webinar. So I look forward to see your questions and comments in the Zoom chat box, or maybe on YouTube as well, because we are live on YouTube. And let me take my notes. So first of all, we stream this show live on YouTube as well. So if you want to show it, if you want to watch it later again, so then go on YouTube channel Admirals, and in this button, or in this picture, you see a button on your right side. You can click on it, then you can subscribe this channel so you will never miss an episode. If you think that could be really cool for you to become successful in trading. So, and you can give us a like if you want. So let me click a like too. So give us a like, or maybe a thumb down, whatever you want. And of course, if you have any questions, then leave your comment below that video, and so we can get in touch directly. Okay, so let's switch to the markets, and let's see. So, and as always, we start with a view at the numbers we expecting today. So, and of course, I hope you were with me yesterday in my live trading room, because yesterday we made our first day trading. So let me tell you the story behind, because I swore to myself I never will make day trading again, because I know how hard it is, and I have to fulfill the law of probability, and I have to stay calm. And day trading, well, I can make day trading, by the way, but it's very stressful. So, and years ago, I swore to myself I will never make day trading again. But actually, yesterday, or the last week, I decided to do it for you again, because I want to show you how you can make money in the markets every single day, or maybe almost every single day. But under consideration of the law of probability. That's the most important thing, which means I have chosen one market, that's the Dow Jones, in 5-minute chart, because this is a market, this is working around the clock, and it's fine, and we can fulfill the law of probability there, and I can show you how you can make money every single day, maybe almost every single day. It's depending on our rules, you know. We follow the 4 rules in day trading as well, and we are focused on this only one market, because this is completely enough. And maybe later we can add another market, but just focus in that. So, and I want to show you what we are doing there. And of course, you make diversification, and this day trading is a kind of diversification. My suggestion is not to be focused on just only day trading. It should be always a mix between day trading, swing trading, and maybe weekly chart. So we want to extend our trading approaches, our setups, to keep in balance the complete account. Yeah. So let me say good morning to YouTube. Don, Albert, Barry, Carl, wonderful good morning. Nice to see you here too. And Mihai, wonderful. Jackie, love you to see you here. And yeah, let's go through the markets. And we expect today a couple of numbers. That's the UK monthly inflation figures, then the CPI EU, and the status report of oil will come out this afternoon. So by the way, if you want to have a closer glance on it, then you please click on login. If you have a real account at Admirals, with just a highly recommendation that you have a real account at Admirals, so you can follow my trades, of course, then you can go on your dashboard, here on Premium Analytics, of course, and then you have access to deeper insight. And the colleagues of Admirals make a lot of effort to give you Wonderful information. Here is a kind of timeline with the new things you can see. Not yet. You can see it here, so you have to do this one. And später bitte, ich kann jetzt nicht. Later you have to see this one, and I want to invite you to our show to how to invest in artificial intelligence, AI. And this is talking about Jens this afternoon. And if you have time for that, then join the session this afternoon. So, and this is really interesting about the premium analytics. So this is the reason to open a real account to get highly interesting information. Okay, then if you want to follow my show or something else on my trades, then follow me on Twitter. It's daytrader70. And by the way, you know, my homepage as well, dowhow-trading.com. There you will find more information. And if you feel a little bit lonely during the day, then you can join my live trading room on Twitch, and then you can see what I'm doing and we can trade together through the whole day. You can ask me whatever is in your mind. So let's go through our running charts. And here we go. I'm not sure if you are still in that trade, Australian Swiss franc. So actually it looks like it will work a little bit for us. So finally, so there's nothing to do. So the soft stop is based, Michael, wonderful. Welcome back from your vacation. So what is vacation? I've forgotten what is vacation. Maybe I should take some anytime. But I want to work for you, so I don't have time for vacation. So Australian Swiss franc, finally, we are working on the trend continuation, because actually we saw this correction here in that case. And yeah, maybe we will see a trend continuation, but actually it's nothing to do. So who is with me in that trade? Do you follow my trades, basically? So type in the chat box, yes or no. Ah, Danny, thanks. Vacation is Urlaub. Ah, okay. I've forgotten what it is. I cannot remember when I had my last vacation. So I am in with you on this one. Okay, wonderful, guys. Really, really great. So we can make this experience together. Yeah, how it is to manage our trades over a long time, because this is swing trading, and we need this kind of swing trading to keep in balance our account. So Tina, I'm out. Why not? Why are you out? Let me know. Type in the chat box. Why are you out? I don't blame you, of course not. That we want to talk about that. Why are you not still in that trade? Nothing happens. Nothing happens. The trade is still running. So why are you out? Just a quick information in the chat box if you want. So next one is Euro Swiss franc. So we sold half the position. The stop loss or the soft stop is in profit. Nothing can happen. We cannot lose money anymore. Oh, you put your stop loss too low. Why? So the reason is why, Tina? I guess you're focused on money and you were afraid to lose something. Yeah, and I know that kind of fear. Is it that way? Where you are afraid to lose money? Because in 4-hourly chart, there were no reason to trail the stop. Just only with soft stop. That's what I'm talking about. You see, and if you trailed your hard stop into the profit, then you're out. Yeah, that's the problem. That's why I always used to say, work with the damaged soft stop. It's a kind of alert you can set in MetaTrader. Yeah, and in 4-hourly chart, there is no problem. You cannot miss anything there because it's 4-hourly. One candle is 4-hourly, 4 hours. Yeah, so just a recommendation. Yeah, work with soft stop. Yeah, and you know there was no close, not really a close about that. But Tina, can I ask you, why did you trail the stop too close? I can't explain. Oh, I can. Come on, Tina, let's talk about the hidden truth. Come on. I can explain. It's kind of fear. So it's here inside of you. It's a kind of fear. I know that because I'm not a newbie in trading. It's always the same. Finally, we are in profit. And we remember all those stupid trades in the past. We know all this. They are always in our present here. So, and finally, we have a profitable trade. And you don't want to lose that money. And then I know, yeah, come on, let's trail the stop. So I cannot lose. And that's the problem. Here, the deeper cause of that is that you focused on money. And as long as you are focused on money, you will always act in an emotional way, always. So reduce the money, take the smallest lot size you can use, and then you are completely out of emotional trading. Yeah. So you must say to yourself, I don't care about that trade. I don't care. Do whatever you want. I follow my plan. But this must be completely independent of money. Yeah. I calculated wrong. Okay. I know there's excuses. It's fine. It's fine. So how can I find you in Twitch? Okay, you can find me in a really easy way. Here is the link in Twitch. Okay, so let's go. Euro Swiss franc, nothing to do, let it run. So we open a new trade, as I explained a couple of days ago, Euro New Zealand dollar. So now we are in, and of course, we trail the hard stop is below that point. So I will risk 100 euro roundabout. And of course, my target is the point of control. So finally, I can make money 289 euros. So this is risk reward ratio 1 to 2, 1, 2. That's fine. So, but I don't want to lose that much money. So, which means I trail my soft stop bar by bar, as long as I'm far enough in the profit. Yeah. So that's how I work. And finally, I speculate that we will reach the point of control. So what do you think about that trade? Were you with me in that trade? So type it in the chat box. Were you with me in that trade? Or are you with me in that trade? British pound, US dollar. Are you with me here? So type it in the chat box, yes or no. Were you with me in that trade? British pound, US dollar. So type in the chat box, yes or no. Were you with me in that trade? Yes, Thomas, great. Thomas, how does it feel to follow the rules, to follow the plan? Yeah. Tina, great. I love it. Wonderful. Guys, you will see we will become successful in the long run. I promise to you. Really, I promise, because I know it. Yeah. Small position size also means small profits, but a lot of small profits leads to a big profit to a small risk. Yeah, that's the point. Welcome to trading. Yeah, exactly. So as we mentioned yesterday, that was the final target or one of the targets. So, and after I could see, okay, we have a balanced candle yesterday. So I took out half of the position, 70 pips. The soft stop is in profit. We could trail the hard stop to the last 0.3 because we have a trend continuation here. So guys, to be honest, so how does it feel if you can follow a plan? There is no guessing. There is no gambling. This is real structured trading. How does it feel for you that you have a plan, that you have rules? How does it feel? Maybe you can give me an answer in the chat box. So, and Anna, here comes the question of the day, because this is big relationship, what I'm talking about. So my question is, can trading make you happy? Can trading make you happy? Yes, of course. Or you have to say, oh, I don't have enough experience right now. Or maybe, no, trading cannot make me happy. So what do you think? So push the button. Push the button. Tina, wonderful. Thank you. So can trading make you happy? Yeah, of course. Don't have enough experience right now. Or maybe no, trading cannot make me happy. Okay, so push the button, and we are waiting on the YouTube as well. So we have an overall overview about that. So next one. So how we should handle this one? Okay, let's go a little bit more outside of that, so that we have a big view. So you see, we are at the top. So maybe it's a good thing now to switch in a weekly chart to see where we are in the big one. Oh, so why should you close that trade? So we have a lot of space to go up. So now it's time to let the winners run and to trail the stop. Yeah. Yeah. So I'm happy even when I lose some. Yeah, of course you can be happy if you lose some, if you lose money about following your plan. So you see in weekly chart, of course, we have a lot of space to go up. So next is here higher, or maybe at 153.4. So actually in hourly chart, in weekly chart, we are talking about a kind of trend of breakout to the upper side. So there is no reason why we should close the trade in 4-hourly chart. So we are safe. It's a free ride right now. We took out of the position. We made money already. That's really cool. So the stop is in profit. The soft stop is in profit. And now let it run. We cannot lose money anymore. So, and we will see the next move to the upper side. If then we can trail the stop again and everything is fine. So let's make this experience together. How does it feel? I don't know what happened next. I don't know. So, but we can handle this. We follow the plan. Yeah, the point of control is far away. That's really true. Absolutely. But it's just, look at this one. It's not that far away. And as I said, look, it is possible that the point of control will switch up during the next weeks. So don't care about that. The price is not a part of the rules. It's just a kind of orientation. Yeah. So, but let it go. Yeah. We can trail the stop and we take that money the market will give us. But don't judge the trade on the right side of the chart. Let it go and trail the stop. Yeah. Maybe if we come down, then everything is fine. It's not our job to catch the high or the low. Our job as private traders is to complete work without any emotions. Just follow the plan and you cannot lose money anymore. Okay? So we have a wonderful, can trading make you happy? So 63% says, yeah, of course. 21 says, I don't have enough experience. And around 16% says, no, trading cannot make me happy. So I have a really interesting answer for you. So next one, New Zealand Swiss franc. Yeah, look at this one. Trade finally is running right now. So let it go. Let it go. So what's on my watch list for today? On my watch list is Australian dollar, US dollar. And you see why I didn't open the trade here, because I was speculating that we have a big support, a resist there. And now you see the price come back again. So maybe if we'll see a stabilization here at the current price, then we can speculate on the maybe here on a breakout on the upper side. So this is why I have it on my watch list actually. Okay. The same is in euro Australian dollar. So actually, I am waiting, and I explained it because there is exactly the point of low. Jesus Christ, I don't see anything. So that's the point of low. So wait if you can see the breakout and then the retest of this big number, this line, and then we can go up to the point of control. So we don't have to catch any pip. Yeah, we need clear pictures. So wait for it. Next one is really interesting because this is Euro Canadian dollar. So why is it? Now we have a new trend. Look, movement. And by the way, we are green zone traders. Ian, thank you very much. Is Ian there? No, not here. So, and here we go. And now we are in the move. And actually now we have rule number one. Rule number one fits actually. And now we have a trend. Rule number two, we have a young trend, of course. And now we are waiting for the correction. And then we can go up, okay? This will offer us this huge possibility of round about 552, 111 pips roundabout. This is great. This is really great. Okay, so wait, it's on my watch list. So the next one is British pound Swiss franc. It's a kind of medium trend. Yeah, and I speculate that we will reach the point of control, and if the price will do that, so we have to open the trade there. So put in your watch list, please, for today and the rest of the week, British pound Swiss franc, of course. So Danny, what's your opinion about Euro Swiss franc? Euro Swiss franc, I'm still in, but now we see a big correction, and it's, for me, it's a free ride. So, but it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we are coming in the fifth correction. It's a little bit hard stuff. Normally, I would say don't trade in the fifth correction. It's too major, it's too old, that's trade. But basically, the trend at the point of control is still downwards. It's still on the lower side. So maybe you can wait if the price will make a secondary trend is facing to the lower side. At least you can speculate later on the trend or the breakout to the lower side. So keep in your watch list. Yeah. On British pound Swiss franc, isn't there a new uptrend? Yeah, let's see. Yeah, it's a kind of uptrend. You're right, Alexandru, of course. And this is this one. So you can do it in that way. Absolutely. Congratulations. Really good eyes in the meantime. So you see, and we are in a correction, and we tried to continue that trade, but we failed again in this interesting area zone, this interesting zone here. That's a really interesting resist zone there. And don't forget, by the way, yeah, the main trend is facing downwards. The main trend is facing downwards, and the point of control is down too. Yeah. So, and that's the point. So I'm really waiting for a break through to the lower side. Yeah. So what's about US dollar, Japanese yen? Yeah, not really. Not really. So US dollar, Japanese yen. So for hourly chart. Okay, so in US dollar, Japanese yen, we still have an uptrend, and the point of control is quite far away, and there is no other volume zone which offers us the possibility that the point of control will move. So I'm waiting for a down signal, actually, but I don't have. It's an unclear situation, and I learned, and my teacher taught me, not to solve complicated chart situation, just avoid them. Stay on the sideline. Wait for clear signals. And US dollar Japanese is not a clear signal. Okay, guys. Now let's have a look at the trade of yesterday. Just this is amazing. And you see, I fulfill my rules in day trading as well. So what happens? So look at this one. Yesterday morning, I said, now we are in the green zone, and we are green zone traders. we are coming from the green zone back to the point of control. So the situation were the following. When yesterday here, that was yesterday morning, you see when we had our morning show, I said, now we are green zone. Wait, we can see that. So at that time, we started the correction and we started a new trend. The point of control were down at the blue rectangle here. And then we had a correction with almost a close above 38. But as said, in the green zone, it's a kind of allowed to work a little bit technically unclear. So we had a spike, we had a close almost at the 38 and it's fine. So I was speculating on trend continuation there. So, and always the hard stop where I calculated my money was I was willing to invest. That was around about 67 euros, by the way. Yeah. There was the stop loss was there. And my soft stop was at the last 0.3. So, and I always say, work in God's sake with a soft stop. So then the price were running and it was going up and down. And you see, I trailed my soft stop. The last here, where is it? So here we go. So that was my soft stop. First of all, it started here. Then I trailed it here. And you see, there was no close. But a couple of guys had their hard stop there and they got out. And that's the problem. So I am not. So then I sold half a position after that spike to the lower side. And then the day goes on and we're going down and down. So was I happy? Yeah, I was, of course, but not for me. Because I wanted to prove you that day trading is still working as well, as long as you follow the rules. And I was quite sure that we will reach the point of control. So why I offer you now to make day trading with me, if you can fulfill the rules of probability, of course. Because in day trading, I can show you very quickly that the price is going down to the point of control. So actually for a short, it needs time. And I understand if you think, oh my gosh, why should I follow this guy? Why should I follow the morning briefing show? It takes too long. I want to have quick success. So I decided it for you because I can day trading. I am able to do that. It's a kind of stressful for me, but I take it on my shoulders to show you that it really works. And I want that you trust the price and the trend and the system. Yeah. So, and now you see my target was the point of control. So then I sold half the position without trailing my soft stop because there was no possibility. Why? We had no close. We had no close. So the plan says trail the soft stop by 0.3, 0.3, 0.3, 0.3. So in that moment, I sold half of the position. I was free. It was a free ride. So why should I trail a hard stop closer? It's just only about money. So, and then, yeah, I was excited about the opening of the market. And then the opening came yesterday, of course. And then I saw, oh my gosh, that's really, and this is what I hate in day trading, but it's a part of the game. So do you really think that was easy for me? Do you really think that? So, because look at this one. We were here at the right side of the chart. Actually, that was the situation when the markets opened here yesterday. And they said, oh, I have half my position, I'm profit, but now the market's open. And then I saw on the right side, by the way, I was in a coaching at that time. Do you think that's easy for me? That's hard stuff. That's really rough, that topic, to trade that. But I do it for you that you can see it really works, that stuff. So, and then you see it's going up and down and up and down. And then it's going that way. And then I was so close here. I was so close to my final target, the point of control, at that time, the point of control were here 34,159. And that was my final target, by the way. But then I realized, okay, the price, 9 pips. I missed 9 pips to my final target. Do you really think that's easy? Do you think that could make me happy? On which planet are you living? That never can make you happy. Trading is not able to make you happy. Of course not. Why should you be happy if you feel that? If you're always in trouble, if you're always in trouble to lose money, why should you be happy about trading? But trading can make you happy, but in a different kind of thinking. So now the trend was going on and was not easy. And then I saw this kind of, the price was feeling comfortable in that price zone. And then I realized, okay, the point of control moved to that situation, to that price. And then I realized, okay, if the market decides to move the point of control up, I have to check the point of control, or I have to check the hourly chart. And then you look, I have to show you here. It's a little bit easier for me. So, and then you see in hourly chart, the point of control was there. That was the situation in hourly chart here. That was the situation in hourly chart. And my point of control in hourly chart was at 33,981. And that was the point, that was the moment where I decided to trail my final stop to the point of control at the hourly chart, because I was quite sure, I'm speculating that the market with this pressure on it will continue the trend and we will reach that point too. That's because I could do that because I was in profit. I sold half the position, I was in profit. So why should I intervene into my trade? So, and then this came. And then at evening, it was, I don't know what it was around, later. I guess after 10 p.m., I reached my final target with 434 pips, points. Guys, that was a huge money yesterday. It was really. So I was willing to invest round about 80 euros. And finally, I made over 530 euros with this one-day trade. This, guys, that's real trading. And this is the same I'm doing on hourly chart, and in weekly chart, and in daily chart. And sometimes I'm a really lucky guy. Look, I'm in profit with 41% of my private account. Why is it? Diversification. Yeah, diversification. And this is what I want to train with you. But you must follow the show. You must learn that during a long time. How much did you win? Yeah, over 400 euros with that. If you trade like a robot, then you can be happy regardless of outcome. Yes, that's true. So I'm not a robot. So let's talk about it. So you see the trend continues. The trend continues, but I reached my final target, and that's fine. So now what we have to do today, now we have to wait because we want to go back to the point of control. Actually, there's a lot of pressure. We have more sellers in the market right now. So, but we have to wait for a new trend. So the trend is still old right now. We made our money, so we watch it. We have to wait for a trend. And if you see a clear trend, then let's go back to the point of control. And if there is no trend, then stay on the sideline. So this, guys, is day trading. So what could make me happy now about trading? What could you make you happy? It's the money? Of course not. It's not the money, because I was in trouble in the beginning. So what could me make you happy in trading? My behavior. That makes me happy. That I was able to follow my plan until the end. And do you know? it's not over until we win. And this we want to trade together. Yeah. So this makes me happy, that I can show you that it really works. And this is not a coincidence. That's the normal behavior in trading, in day trading and in swing trading. So follow me, and I promise you, I can make you happy by following the rules, and this can make you happy. So am I happy after the 500, after this 430 points? No, about not. Why? The trade is over. It's over. I made it. So now I have to look for the next trading idea. Why should this make me happy? It's over right now. It's past. It's over. And now I have to look for the next trading. And the trouble is starting again and again and again. So that's the point. So what can make you happy in trading? If you fulfill the rules, and if you follow the rules, and if you follow your plan, if you handle your money management in a proper way, and then you get the results, and that can make you happy. And you know what? It makes me happy that I can show it to you. And final target is to take that money and do good things with that. And I promised you, if I'm in profit at the end of this year, I take that money and spend it to someone else. We will figure it out with Admirals together. Yeah, but this can make you happy. So take that money, if you earn with, and give a little piece of them to others. They're suffering in life, and this will come back to you. And that makes you happy, not trading at itself. What you experience with trading, your behavior in trading, that you are strong enough, that you are willing to change yourself, that can make you happy. And that's our final goal, what we have to do. So watch the show and be with me in every single trade. And I promise you, we will become successful, and we can become the exception, and we can change the world together. And that's the job what we have to do together. So if you have people you think they are able to trade, invite them to the show, show them the YouTube channel, and let's do good things for the world, because we can make money with trading. Thanks for listening. Thanks for joining. I wish you a wonderful day. Have courage and be kind, and may the force of the rules be